Engine revolutions diagnostics. The diagnostics of engine revolutions is executed when the engine is idling. Before starting the diagnostics, set the prescaler so that the revolutions of the engine shown in this window match the tachometer readings in the car. Now let's launch the program. On this diagram we will see the information about the engine revolutions and the sensitivity threshold. On the panel below the diagram you can set the prescaler and the time between the changes of sensitivity. In these windows we can see current engine revolutions and sensitivity level. Now let's launch the diagnostics. The sensitivity level now takes its minimum meaning of 0.0 volts. During the process of diagnostic it will shift until its maximum meaning of 20 volts. After the process is complete, the sensitivity level takes the meaning which had been set before the start of the diagnostics. This diagram of diagnostics is ideal because it was executed with the simulator of the engine. In reality, the diagram will be uneven. Now we must pick the sensitivity level from the middle of this piece of the diagram, the piece which corresponds to the engine revolutions of the idling. That is about 2.5 volts. After picking the sensitivity level from the diagram, set it manually in this window. Afterwards, transmit the data by pressing Transmit button. Sensitivity level has been set.